Hey everybody, one of the things that I'm always trying to do with this truck is find ways to improve the utility of this. And in the back seat, what I've had here for some time is this back seat organizer, which is a fabric-based, almost like a suitcase, if you will. And it fits underneath the back seat, and it's got all kinds of compartments. And I've got, rope, I've got extension cords, I've got gloves, I've got my trailer hitch, jumper cables, paper towels, pretty much anything I need for emergencies, and it fits really nicely under the first two seats, the 2/3 of the back seat. And, it's okay. The problem with it, though, is that, I don't know if you can see this very well, but people will step all over it, and it tends to kind of bleed into the passenger compartment. It's okay. I mean, it's meant for doing a grab and go, because you can actually disconnect it from the rail back there and then just grab the entire unit, and it's good. But I'd like something a little bit more permanent, and so that's why today I'm going to investigate putting in a MOLLE system back here. So this unit comes in a relatively small box because it's a bunch of steel plates that have got holes in them. So this is going to be great for making attachments, and it should be really sturdy. It's not going to collapse. So let's put it together. Okay, we've got the storage units put together and we've bolted them into the truck. You can see that the mounting for this is through the existing strap that goes back and forth there. And these are steel. These are relatively substantial. They also have a nice rubber strip along the top. So if you happen to get your fingers down there, you're not going to get pinched. You can see that there's a secondary compartment over there. All right, so good and tight, substantial. So far so good. Now let's load it up and see how it does. All right, she's loaded. I've got everything moved over from the old storage into the new. Or what you'll want to do is get some small toolboxes or ammo containers and put all your loose stuff in there. Otherwise, things might escape through the holes here. Now the holes are interesting because what they do is they give you these Velcro straps that you can strap anything to the outside of this. So I'll probably do that with my gloves, which were previously here. And it's nice to be able to just grab a pair of gloves, so I'll Velcro them on there. One thing I also recommend is that you find a big roll of Velcro tape like this, where you can just cut off lengths that you want to, and then you can attach whatever you want to or cinch down whatever you want to inside of the storage. So this is this side of the storage. I'm going to walk around to the other side. And here's the other side. There's the aux battery. I'm going to be talking about that in the next couple weeks. And what I do is I've got a set of analyzers that I use for, diagnostic analyzers for the truck that I've used over the past. I just put them in this little backpack, and it fits perfectly into here. Very nice, very happy with this arrangement, and I think this is a much cleaner arrangement. And you can see that if you drop the seats, you don't really see anything from here at all, and it's got a very clean footprint there for you if you're sitting in the back seat. Well, there it is. There's my brand new Underseat Storage Molle panel, which I think is a huge improvement versus the old bag storage system that I had for the last few years. If you'd like one yourself, look for the Amazon link in the description below this video. Thanks again for watching. Please let me know if there's any other products that you'd like to see me review in the near future. and I'll see you in the next video.